Hi, I am so much Black, and in this video we will take a look at the AOKU PODS system. I got the pouches for free because AOKU was aware of my willingness to review them. The pods come in a package of 4 pouches. Each one is made out of different materials, so you get one material for every use case. All pods have 3 design elements in common. All have a TECSYS backing, a grabbing handle and a partially locking zipper. Pod 01 is made out of white CORDURA with a rubber coating on the inside and a black screen print on the outside. Pod 2 is made out of inside out turned black X-PAC. So you have the X-PAC texture and color on the inside and the gray backing of the fabric on the outside. Also you have a white print with a pod number. Pod 3 is made out of mil-spec webbing with a white print on the inside of the pouch. Pod 4 is made out of a 3D spacer mesh, which is thick and has some holes on the outside, but on the inside it is completely smooth. There is no print on pod 4, but there is a black Velcro patch. Along with the 4 pouches you get 8 slotted loops and 4 quikslip keepers to attach the pouches onto your MOLLE webbing. The slotted loops are suited better for permanently attaching your bags, while the slip keepers are more for grabbing the pouch on the handle and quick release them. Due to their neutral looks, the pouches fit well to most bags and garments. Now let's take a look at how I usually use these pods. I always carry one of those 2 pods, either the white CORDURA one or the grey X-PAC one, as a carrier for my daily food and snacks. So in this pod I actually have some protein bars, some instant tea and a spork. Sometimes I use one of these for storing writing equipment, so in this case I have here my notebook for WordPress and YouTube stuff, some pens, some post-its, a bit of glue and some other writing equipment. Since pod 3 is made out of a breathing military mesh, I mainly use it for storing clothes if I need to. So I can put a wet t-shirt, for example, into the pouch and then hang it onto my MOLLE system to let it dry. That's especially convenient when you have gloves in the winter. So you have gloves on and this pouch doesn't take up much room. But as soon as you don't need the gloves anymore, you can put them in this pouch and hang the pouch onto your MOLLE equipped bag, so they are ready when you need them again. The padded pouch, pouch 4, is my main camera gear pouch for the smaller things like my Manfrotto twist grip, my Rode Video Micro, some cables, an additional CF card for my old camera, a microfiber cleaning cloth for lenses, some cheap lenses for my smartphone, additional batteries, such things. So as you can see, I can use all the pouches for different use cases. Every pouch is different and every use case, every situation is different. I like to take advantage of that. What are the pros of the pouches? They are versatile and modular. You can use a specific pouch for a specific need. They attach greatly to your MOLLE and pulse webbing on your bags and if you have garments. and you can support an aspiring designer who comes out of the community, which I always like to do. While the pouches are generally well made and well designed, they are also having some downsides. First, the price. 150 euro is not completely cheap, although you don't get this design from other manufacturers. You can get 4 equally sized MOLLE pouches from Tasmanian Tiger or 511 for about half the price. Secondly, the materials wear off unevenly. You have the main material, which is quite durable, and then the print on it, which discolors and which fades away and rubs off eventually. Thirdly, the size of the bags. While they are mostly great for the use cases I use them in, Pod 3 is a little bit too tight for my workout clothes, for example. If it was a little bit bigger, I could fit in my underwear, my t-shirt and my running tights. This way I can't use it generally for that. I have to use another pouch. If a bag is completely open and you pull the zipper one-handedly, it sometimes the material gives in and you can't close the zipper properly. That is sometimes mitigated, sometimes not. In my opinion, the AOKU PODS pouches are a well-designed set of MOLLE pouches with a set of different use cases in mind. They are quite a bit expensive, but you can't find the same sort of design anywhere else. And I use them every day, so they are usable and it's justified. If you want to see more, you can subscribe here. And if you want to see my last video of the Arc'teryx conveyor belt, click here. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.